Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper the Model Builder and it's Ecto time. Yes, Ecto, and you see Ecto in front of me because we're putting this part together with the part that is still on the table there. But we need to do something on the body first. I put some foam underneath, as you can see, underneath right there, and we're going to be putting some stuff in. I've got issue number 32 here with packs 19 to 22, and let's get straight into this and start this beautiful build. And this is the first thing we do. We put that into the point here. You can see that from the top camera. Be very careful with the lights. And let's see what kind of screws we are going to use. I've got them here. And I've got the next part at the ready. All right in front of you, you see this part. And we've got some other parts at the ready right here. So let's see what we put in. I think it's the EMs we are using here. I think you can hear me just properly. And I'm going to get the oil close. We get a day older today. We get to be a day older than the previous. Although that happens to everybody. In my case, and Wayne's case, it's a year older. And keep having a look at those lights that they're not breaking, because I heard that so many people have, and I did that as well the last time, so that didn't work too well for me. Yeah, I need to put it away and then bring it back home later. It's getting pretty darn heavy, guys. We need that later on, so I'm gonna leave that there with some stuff that we put on later on. But this is still stage number 119, and that is left, apparently. So we take the OP screw that we got in this stage as well. Yeah, the plaster you see me, I got because I got a piece of that edging in my hand, because that stays in so nicely. There we go. This one of the speakers is in. We have that on, and we're going straight to 120. So 120, as you can see right there, is what we're doing now, and we've got quite a lot of screws. We put that on like so. So on that side, we turn it around and we put 8 screws in there. They can't be anything else but one of these EPs, these 8 of them. So let's just put them in and I'll be back with you. This is the last one. So we put that on like so, and put 8 more in like we did in the previous one. And the last one to be put in, sorry. And then we take that one out, which is the plastic part, which more or less is a window. We turn it around and have a look at those points that can go over with those. And then we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 there. And these are the KPs. And the last one in this one as well. And then we're going to get the car or the body out again, and we need to put it out here upside down properly, but we need to route cables, and we will get these out. We're going to use this one, that one, because we're going to be working right here. But before we do that, they want us to loosen some screws. Leave them there, because we'll be needing to route some cables here. Let's get those cables out of the way as much as possible. I think I need to loosen them on this side as well, otherwise I can't get that in. Yeah, the speakers actually go to the back of the car, so to the area where the ghosts are. Okay, I've got it in. Now let's put those RMs in. Okay, we're going to put these screws back in as well. Routing these cables is horrible. It's still not in there as I want it to be, but I'm stopping. I can see if I can push it a bit with my tweezer, but be careful when you do that, because you do not want to put any cables or break any cables or tear them some way. Now we need to find out how we can route this. Where is that silver thing? There it is. Alright, where are the screws gone? Lights are still in one piece on both sides. The only thing I need to put in is this one, but I don't know which kind of screw that is. So I've routed that cable neatly in here, and this is where it goes. Now we're getting to the stage where we put all the cables in, on N. Let's open this up first. And I thought these were cut in, but we're gonna put them through from this side to that side. I've got cable which is called N that is going through this one from the short side. Alright, that's the one cable come through. Then we have another cable called M. Okay, let's see. I've got that one, I've got those, then I need two more cables which I don't have. And I've got them, they were on these. So with that one I need the M, so I've got two on this one, and 1, 2, and this is number 3, and that's the third one. Okay, and that second one, oh my, all those cables, and I'm pushing them through the holes on the side here. You can't see that, at the moment. Then we take the wheel nut out, and we undo this right rear wheel, because we need to undo that to get to it, because we need to route some cables here. And then we need to route this cable along this edge all the way there, and we're going to put them together with a bit of special electric tape. Then we're going to put one in the middle here, and then we're going to get something off the chassis there again. All right, then those we need to get off, because if you want to put that thing on, the body on, this is in the way. I think I've done everything that I needed to do to make sure that we can put everything on. So we're going to put this on the right side. Don't think I need these. Now we're going to put it on this side. This is the usually the hardest part of all, is putting all those cables together. Now in some way we need to get it on those. Okay, in the front here we are putting what was it? AAMs. Okay guys, it's been a very big hassle to get it all together. Alright, I've broken a light again, as you can, let's zoom out everything. As you can see right there, I've broken a light again, and I just I'm not happy with how that is going, but it's been a hassle. That arch that is supposed to go in, and so we are going to put the cables on the top here. It's otherwise it will go everywhere. I think that is what just came off, because I had a lot of little things come off, and I need to do some repairs. But I need to make a little bit of that needs to go on, and this one as well, like so, with that blue light in there. But I'm not going to do that just yet. I am going to do these first, and those will be done later, those little things that came off. I'm going to try and put this one on right here. Let's see if we turn it the other way around, it's more. I'll be back in a second, guys. I need to find out how this one goes. That way. No, it was, I had the right way. This one. I need to have check with Marvel Phoenix's what he's doing, because he was smart enough to put those in first. That's how I keep these in. Alright, let's just put them on. These screws are going to be gone because the pipe is going to go over it. But what I do not see is how that screw should be going in. So we put that pipe over it, then we get that little bracket out that is here. That one, we put that over it with the silver AP screw. And there's a little thing I can do. That came off. I can push that on. I've put that little thing on. The whole steering mechanism is is a stuff up. I don't know how I did that, but the steering whole system, it's not in there, it's underneath it. I just need to have a look whether or not I can fix that. But I think this is it for this pack. That was something to behold, and it's taken me a long time to do, and I am not really happy with how it came out. As you can see, there's a lot of, that's loose, that is loose. I've got a mirror here that I've lost due to putting it on the side and stuff like that. And I've still got those trims that are coming out, like as you can see right there. I've not got them to be nice. There's one here that is so bad that I cut myself on it, as you can see right there. But I'm gonna do the other things off camera, and hope that you will join me next time so I can show you what was going on and what has happened. We've put those on neatly, cables are on, everything. Well, let's have a quick look whether, if not everything works. That light works. And the lights in the back work as well. Good. Let's leave it at that, and don't know what time it is now. I need to have lunch as well. But I've been working since 10 o'clock till I think it's 1 somewhere. What is it? Almost 2 o'clock. So it's been quite some time. And if you're doing this one, so let's say especially the number 21, the last stage. Was it 21? I think it was. Yeah, it is a hassle. It is really a hassle, and yeah, I've still got these plates to do. I will put them on, and then we'll show you how that looks. But I feel like stopping, and I'll do the rest of them in another time. Some lights work, some don't. But okay guys, hope you will join me next time. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me that next time when I do some more on this or some of the other cars that I have. Thank you very much for joining me this time, and hope to see you next time, as I said. Thank you very much. Bye bye.